Do not buy these until this safety issue is fixed. So, it shows that that hook is clearly done from the outside, right here. It should come through and hook on this. And I tried opening this hook up and all that stuff. Doesn't make a difference. You cannot get it in there like that. Everybody's pictures they are posting when they use these, as well as the manufacturer pictures, which I did not catch, show you hooking it from around like this. Now, in my experience, I have had material shift around to where the strap has loosened up before. If that strap happens to loosen up just a little bit because the material shifted, oh look, your strap just came completely unhooked. I have a more expensive Ratchet brand ones on my Ram. They hook how that tag shows. Just like this. Now, if this material ever shifts around and this comes loose, the only way this hook comes out is you have to take this and literally twist it sideways and rotate it out of this area here. It doesn't ever come out just because this came loose. So at least the strap stays on the material even if it loosens up.
You made them wrong.